Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about 300 free online programming courses you can start from today. Here you can see link will be in the description. There are many free courses you can start today like HTML, CSS and Photoshop, and there are many courses like PHP, Android, e-commerce courses and PHP courses. You can easily enroll in these courses and start your journey to programming. As you can see the top 5 machine learning libraries. Oh sorry, this course is not available. I like Android courses, so I will. As you can see, Android development for newbies. Anyone who want to learn Android development, he can enroll in this course. As you can see, it's a free tutorial and must join this course. As you can see rating of this course and how many students are enrolled. It's a free course. You can easily enroll here. Click on enroll now and then sign up, and I have already account, so you can go to this Udemy website and enroll here. You will understand all the procedure. So, as you can see, your link will be in the description. You can explore all the website. As you can see Selenium, SQL, Swift. There are many courses you can easily enroll here. So guys, thank you for your time. Like, subscribe and share our channel for more videos and free stuff like that. Thank you.